All right, guys, we got the new GoPro. Backstory, my GoPro Hero 8 Black was glitchy and having some issues, so I called GoPro and I sent it back to them, and they basically sent me a GoPro Hero 9, brand new. Pretty excited. So that's what we're using right now. So here's what we got. Yeah, it's in pieces. So we got the steering completely out of it, right? All the way down, all of it out, all of it out. It is sitting in the junk, okay? Because the fan gear is wore so bad, every time I drive it, we just skipping teeth. Oh, what is that? Oh, is that a spare? Sweet. Yeah, got 3 more out back. Anyway, so I picked up a pretty sweet set from Crazy Carl, a steering setup. It's right here. All right. So steering shaft with the fan gear. That fan gear is sweet. I mean, that thing is crispy clean. No hardly any wear. And the same thing with the down shaft. It is just super, super sharp. So that's going to be nice. Now, the reason I haven't put it in yet is because I'm going to do a little mod that Mr. Josh Rowe, Giverthebeans, go check out his channel. But while he was out there with CreepyCrawler in Ohio and the gang, he bent his steering. So basically, he bent this plate. I'm not sure yet. I believe it happened to bend forward as he got caught on a tree. I believe that piece bent forward. So as I pulled this one out, and I said, well, it's already out. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to make these 2 triangles. Oh, I think this is like, I don't know, 2.5 by maybe 3.5. And I'm going to make both of these up. And I'll get back with you in just a second. I'm going to cut these out, and I'll hold them up and show you where I'm going to weld them. All right, we're back. I got 2 triangles cut out. Well, whatever, it doesn't matter. I haven't cleaned them up yet. Like I said, I think this is like, I don't know, 2.5 by maybe 3.5. I'm not going to measure it, figure it out. So anyway, so what I'm going to do, I don't know what the best way to set this up so everybody can see it, I guess, is like this. I'm actually going to take 2 of these, and I'm going to put them in, one right there. Idiot. One right there. They're still so hot. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these, okay, and we're going to stick them right in there, something to that effect, at the fan, okay, and then I'm going to put the other one over here on the other side. I got to take the corner out, blah, blah, blah. I'm hoping with the 2, one there, it'll also keep this from twisting or turning this way, I guess, rotating on the shaft, also with the torque. So we'll see. I'm going to clean these all up. We'll weld them up, and I'll show you after. All right, that's it. All right, so to give you an idea of what I'm looking at, it's just tacked for now. All right, we got it gusseted. Okay, there's one there. If you look around, I got it doubled up. There's one on the bottom there. Okay, so basically I'm gonna put a pretty good burn here around the corner and the whole thing, and then the same thing on the other side. I would assume it won't go anywhere else after that. So I guess we'll see. Time will tell. All right, so I got that side welded up. Okay, you can flip it over. Got the other side. Good enough, right? Gusseted. So, anyway, you better thank Giverthebeans for that mod. I'm glad I didn't put this new one in without doing it. So I'm gonna let this cool. We'll paint it up, primer, paint it, and we'll get it installed and show you how it looks after. All right, see ya. Okay, obviously steering wheel's back on, right? Steering shaft is in there. I double collared it from the old one. New sweet gears there, all the way down, right to the new pivot point. Now what I want to show everybody is under here is the gusset. I would guess you can see that. See how nice that is? And if I can, so hopefully I won't get the twists or the bends or bend that. So that's that. Okay, we'll see how it works.